How to search Instagram messages. To get started, first of all, open up the Instagram application on your phone. You will then be taken to the newsfeed page on Instagram. Here, you can see all activities from the accounts you follow. Now, go to the chat icon at the top right corner. Here, you can view your chat list with your friends on Instagram. Tap on any chat from the list. Then tap over the name and you will then land into this page. Tap on the search icon over here. After that, type in your message in the search bar. Then, you will get the result. Tap over the message. It will then take you to the message from that chat. This way, you can find any old messages on your Instagram chat. So, by following these simple and easy steps, you can go ahead and easily search Instagram messages.